Hi, today let's make super tasty Dhaba-Style Kadai Chicken Curry. Very simple to make. It will be done in 15 minutes. In a kadai, add in oil and ginger garlic paste and toss it really very well till the raw smell goes. If the ginger garlic paste is nicely sauteed, that is when the flavor of the gravy will be enhanced and it is really very good. Next, I've added in cleaned and washed chicken and then mix it really very well. Coat the chicken along with the ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm adding in some salt to taste, and then I'll be adding in some onions and chopped tomatoes. This curry will be ready just in 15 to 20 minutes, but it's very easy and super tasty. No compromise on the flavor at all. Now mix the onions and the tomatoes really very well. I'm adding in some turmeric powder along with some chili powder and roasted cumin powder. Try to add in roasted cumin powder because it gives a great taste to our dhaba style chicken curry. Cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes till the chicken is completely cooked. Not completely, around 70% cooked. Now give it a good mix. Next, I'll be adding in some yogurt which has been whisked or beaten really very well. Always try to do that, otherwise the curds or the yogurt tend to be lumpy, doesn't look good. So give it a good mix and then add it to the curry. Next, I'll be adding in some garam masala along with some pepper powder. I'll be adding in some ginger julienne along with some slit green chilies. If you like it to be more spicy, increase the slit green chilies. Give it a good mix. See to that all the masalas, everything is beautifully combined. Finally, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and your super tasty dhaba style kadai chicken is ready to serve. You can serve it really very well with jeera rice, plain rice, chapati, naan on roti. Perfect for your lunch and dinner recipes. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback on the comments below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.